maybe. We'll see. Bow, 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 bow. I'm listening to music and you don't get to. Okay, I actually rolled chat. Wrecked. Got him. Got him. Alrighty. We did it. We did it. That's right. A wild bunny has appeared. Hey, Icarus, how's it going? How goes? What are we croning? That's a good question. I'm just trying to figure out how cron jobs work. I'm gonna be real. Just trying to figure out how they work. I wasn't gonna stream. I wasn't gonna stream today. I wasn't gonna stream until next week because I was like, ain't nobody got time for that. And then it turns out that I do indeed have time for that because I was learning something new and I was like, I was recording myself explaining it so that I could learn it in a way that was more interesting. And then while I was doing that, I was like, I should just be streaming this like a real streamer. Coder, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. Look at all these cron jobs. I know, for real, for real. Numbers for when, command for running. Is that it? Well, good. That's what I want because I have... Maybe I'll give you guys behind the scenes on what I'm doing. What I'm using it for. You may see that. I was just hoping... okay, I'm not gonna lie. Because, yeah. Like, okay, I've done cron jobs for WordPress sites before. And I would use like a plugin that would let you do cron job. And I was like, cool. Sick. This is really convenient. And I was like, oh, you know what? As someone with bash in my name, I should really at one point figure out how to do cron jobs, like make a script a cron job, you know, have it run on a schedule. And I've been putting it off forever because I was like, originally I was like, okay, it'd be super convenient to have a cron job that backs up my user data, right? To like a hard drive, like an external drive or something like that. And alas, I've been putting it off for years. And here we are today because I was like, oh, I should write a blog post on how to do this cool little scripty-roo. And I should make it a cron job because it might be something that you want to have recur on a scheduled basis, on a regular basis. So I was like, oh, I should get this working as a cron job. And then I was like, okay, you know what? Double whammy. Let's use man pages only to try and figure out how it works. I'm sure you can imagine how that's going. Icarus, why are you so smart? 90% of the time you can just be lazy and put a symlink to what you want run in the cron.d/x aliases. Dude. How do you know this stuff? What kind of crons you got running in the background? You know? Is this sad? Okay, fair. This is true. Fair. Fair enough. Fair enough. Touché. Anacron is slightly smarter. It catches things that should have run when the daemon wasn't running. Interesting. Also, you guys, do you know I use Vivaldi, by the way? Vivaldi users rise up. And every single time that I join a Google Meet call, my browser crashes. So, and in true Linux user fashion, I just keep using it anyway. And then every time that I'm on any Google Meet call ever, I join, it crashes almost immediately. And then there's two of me in the meeting for the whole meeting. It's great. I love it. Hey, YouTube as well. What's up? What's up? What's Vivaldi? It's a browser. So like, you could use Brave or Vivaldi if you're more privacy focused, and that's why I started using it, because Brave upset me with their crypto ads. I know you can just disable them, but like, it's like Spotify, okay? I refuse to pay for Spotify and to like use it. I use it as little as possible because at one point or another, I didn't want to pay for Spotify, and the ads were so intrusive that I now refuse to ever pay for it in my lifetime. So, yeah. How do you feel about that? Taylor, learned there's a Bash Bunny dupe exploit. Wait, so someone made like a Walmart Bash Bunny and now you can exploit it? Did I summarize it properly? Oh, or there's an exploit that does the same thing as a Bash Bunny. You're a legend for that. Thank you. My rage knows no bounds. I don't know what the actual word would be for that, because it's not rage. It's just like, I guess I'm kind of like angsty. Does that make me angsty? I barely know this. I barely know English, so feel free. No, I mean your crashed VC thing was duped Bash. Oh, fair. Fair. This makes sense. I thought you were talking about the Bash Bunny, because I saw exploit and I saw Bash Bunny, and then I immediately thought of the Hack 5 thing because Ali sent me a Bash Bunny and I should try it and review it. A French stream channel reward when? I can barely speak English right now, but I should add it at one point. I had a lost memory come back to me today. Do you want to know what it was? I forgot that when I was in elementary school, we were made to pick a French song to share with the class that was like, that we thought was a good song, to show that like there are good artists out there that are French. And I chose this song by a French Canadian rapper. And bear in mind, this is like 2000s, right? So like you can only imagine what that all looked like, right? Like rap scene in Quebec in the 2000s. And I choose this rap song, and like looking back on it, I completely forgot about this until I was talking about it with my coworkers today. And I played it, like we found it and like played it with with my coworkers, and I was like, oh my god, this is literally a song about like prostitution. I played it to a class of like 9-year-olds, man. Pog jam. I was really hardcore. What can I say? I was pretty gangsta. Like, I like how I rolled up and I was like, you know what? This is it. This is the song. My teacher's gonna love this. Oh my god. I cheated to use crontab.guru. Wait, for what? Did you choose Drizzy Drake? I wish. No, it was, yeah. Hello, fellow Vivaldi user. What's your favorite feature of it? Ooh, that's a good question. I don't use the motions enough. I know that there's really good motions that you can configure in Vivaldi. Personally, I find having the different profiles pretty cool, and it's not as creepy as Chrome. I also love that I get to break my Google Meet every time, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, I don't know. It's pretty good. I like the privacy side. I just like that it's like not creepy mostly. Did you at least get a good grade on that assignment? I actually don't remember. I was getting straight C's in elementary school. I think I think I was a bit of a rebel, if I recall correctly. Like I just like would not like I had other things to do. I would just sometimes, you know, I think I would do the assignments like day of. I think it kind of depends. I think I started trying a bit more. I definitely started trying more like closer to high school, but like mid elementary school, I was like, what? They gonna hold me back? Like, nah, you know. It was very much a lack of effort, not lack of understanding. You know. Yeah. I kind of show up sometimes and just be like, yeah, I didn't want to do it, so I just didn't do it. I didn't do the project. I thought it was dumb. I had other things to do. I had a picnic to go on this weekend. I was playing, what was it? What was that game? Okay, wait. Game where you do entire evolutionary sequence. And it was like on PC 2000, well, guess 2008. You'll know what it is. We'll find it. Spore. Sorry, man. I was busy playing Spore. I had to get to the civilization stage. Did not have time to complete the major assignment. Hope you'll understand. Like, what, are they going to fail a fifth grader? No, they're not. Are they going to fail an elementary school child for not doing their report? And then I think I did it like in one night, and it was like the worst report ever. Like, I'm pretty sure, because we had to do these like these reports like multiple times a year. We had to like choose something that was like a topic of interest. And of course, like, we weren't reading anything engaging whatsoever, right? Like, everything's pretty boring. And then we have to choose some kind of interesting topic. And so I think that I would just continuously choose raccoons as my topic, like, every year. And I would use like the same shitty slides that mostly emphasized that they washed their food and that they were really cute and they had masks. And that was like the whole presentation. I don't know why I'm like this. Like, yeah, you should care about raccoons because, like, they eat your garbage, but they will wash it in your pool. So, like, that's kind of nice. They're pretty clean, Raccoon girl, yeah. Raccoons are pretty cool. Hearing Spore was elementary school for you, I feel old. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. It was a great game. Although I liked to plateau at the creature stage. I found the civilization part less fun to play. I liked being a bacterial cell in the ocean, and then I liked when we went to land and became a creature. But then as soon as it became you were like in civilization, like going to space and stuff, I was like, this is boring. I'm gonna kill this account and go back to being a bacteria. It's just like the real world. It's like they found it boring after a while. They said, you know what, these dinosaurs suck. Let's just nuke the thing and start fresh. That's me. That was me playing Spore. Yeah, I got to the space stage at one point and it was boring. So then I restarted it and then I said, teacher, listen, hear me out. I had to stop. I had to restart my Spore game. So I didn't get the assignment done. I was busy. Okay. I couldn't figure out what kind of character I needed. So I didn't have the emotional bandwidth to take on this assignment. I hope you understand. Frost, by the way, thank you for the 11 months. Zelnonymous, thank you for the tier 1. Berives, thank you for the 5 months. I appreciate it. And Al2, thank you for the 100 biddies. Thank you. The creature creator was so good. Like, you would just drag your mouse and it would just like create these blobs for you. So you were busy? No. I stayed hard C's, okay? I'd get C's and C++, okay? As I was meant to be a programmer, okay? Obviously. All right, C and C++. I kept it the good. C and C++. Yeah, like not quite. They're like, you can't be a B. She doesn't show up enough, okay? We can't give her a B. She keeps pulling this shit and we just can't do it. And then eventually I actually started, I put some effort in. But yeah, it was they wouldn't give me a B-, it would be a C++. And then I did well in the rest, like later on when I cared. But I was like, okay, come on. I'm in elementary school. I got other things to do. I got Spore to play. Let's be real. I never get sunburned though, Icarus. I had other stuff. I was like, I had a lot of activities. I had a lot of other activities that I liked doing. And then it wasn't until it became until people like cared about grades socially that I was like, guess my shenanigans must come to a stop. I think that was like it's like at late elementary school people start like asking about your grades and you're like, damn it. Now I gotta do stuff. Don't make me do stuff. Come on. Anyway, okay, let's learn about cron jobs. So I was looking at cron tabs. All right. And so far my conclusion is the cron tabs is where any and all configuration related to your cron jobs will live. So this is where you put in like basically the schedule, the file or like script or like program that you want to run will be defined in this. And then I think it's also where you would be defining any environment variables that you need to run the thing. So that's what the cron tabs are. Because I was curious, I was like, I need environment variables for the thing that I'm trying to do in a cron job. But I was like, I'm pretty sure if this is running as a daemon, it's not going to be running with my shell. So like, and all of my environment variables are defined in my RC file. So I was like, that doesn't make sense. And apparently cron jobs are run with whatever your shell environment variable is. Wait. Hold on. I think I just contradicted myself. Hold on. I think I misunderstood. Said it runs with a cron tab. Okay, hold on. I gotta look this up again. I forget. It's all confusing. Cron tab versus shell. Running cron jobs. Also, do you guys realize that I don't know if I've used this keyboard yet on stream. Can you hear it click clack? I got blue switches. I got the blues. Cron versus, where are you? Does cron tab use shell? What shell is used by cron? Oh, here you go. I actually read this already, but I'm reading it again. Okay, so I'm on serverfault.com. What shell is used by cron? Cron runs shell command from cron tabs, but having just got caught out by the differences between ZSH and bash, I'm now concerned that I don't know which shell cron uses to interpret cron tab commands. Obviously, the simple case where the cron entry just points to a script file is handled by the bang path to interpreter on the first line. But what when you have something more complex in cron? Why use more words when it makes sense with less? That's first thing. You can put shell is equal to bin/bash in your cron tab. You can also point to a bash rc using bash env is equal to root/.bash rc. I don't actually know what happens if you don't have shell defined, but adding it to a cron tab makes it easy to tell what is what. So you add whatever shell it is that you want to use to your cron tab. But then if you use a shell, does that mean that it's using the RC as well? It's all confusing. Okay, here in the cron tab 5 man pages deals with your query by default. It's /bin/sh. Okay, several environment. This is from the cron tab man pages. Could not find it for the record. Okay, it's supposed to be in here somewhere. Several environment. Oh, actually, maybe I should try. Oh, it is here. The environment variable. After you exit from the editor, the modified cron tab will be installed automatically if neither of the environment variables is defined in the default editor. Okay, that's irrelevant to what I'm trying to find. Thank you. Okay, so apparently the man page says several environment variables are set up automatically by the cron daemon. Shell, which is in all caps to signify it is an environment variable, is set to bin/sh, and log name and home are set from the etc/pass WD line of the cron tab's owner. Home and shell may be overridden by settings in the cron tab. Log name may not. So you can just change shell is equal to bin/bash in the cron tab file. That would change the shell accordingly. What does Twitch chat say? Those blue switches make you dev 10% better. Thank you. I appreciate it. More accurate would be to say that that cron runs the things with the context of the config file. There's a root one, your personal ones, etc. So where's it running the things? It's just running? This is not relevant. Oh. Uh-oh. We all have at least one period of time where we use blues. They feel good. I'm liking them. Feels like chaotic. What's the chaotic good? Clicking is audible? Okay, nice. Wait, system D is way clearer, and most distros have system D anyways. Oh, using system D for daemons instead of cron? Whoa, I didn't even think of that. Okay, wait, cron versus system D? Wow. Either way, cron's a classic, so I feel like I should be doing that. Have we discussed cron versus system D unit? Oh, shoot. Okay. Make your arguments. Fight. Unit scheduling. Let the duel commence. I totally think the raccoon bit was priceless. Thank you. Letters feels like a weird scale for grades. It is weird. I agree. There's another relevant man page. See section. Oh, man 5. Is that what these mean? So when it goes, when it says cron tab, and it's got the little 5. I actually meant to ask you guys that. When it's got the 5 in parentheses, is that saying that you have to do, you're supposed to be doing man and then 5 and then cron tab? Oh, those numbers mean things. I didn't know what they mean. Where do you learn what they mean? What the heck? How am I supposed to know that? Wow, you guys are geniuses. That's actually crazy. Okay. See, I knew it was a good idea to go live. You guys don't distract me. I distract you. Google? Okay, well, fuck. Damn it. Oh, man. Gotta be on Twitch for comments to be read? Mostly. We hear it, and it's awesome. Thank you. I'm glad you appreciate the blue switches. Oh, yeah, you're right. I should add a link. I'm adding a link to the Twitch stream. Get your comments seen or not. Or get wrecked on Twitch. There you go. Okay. I added a link to the Twitch thing on YouTube. Just so you guys know. Whoa, I can hear myself. I hate it. Thanks. You're on a BSD Darwin? I'm not on Mac OS right now. I'm on, I got Pop OS going. There's a man for that. Man page. Oh my God. Oh, actually, one thing I really want to ask you guys, what do you learn what they mean with man? Man. How do you read man pages? Do you just use man? Do you use some other thing that makes it less painful to read and search? Would love to know, because it's fine. I mean, it's fine as it is, but like, TLDR? Is that a thing? Do I install it? Oh yeah, no, I don't have that. Can I install with apt? Compat? Almost all man pages are on Google. Yeah, but I like not. TLDR is pretty cool. Install it. Can I install it with apt? All right, hold on. I'm changing it. How do you feel about not being seen right now? Do you feel sad? I shouldn't ask because I'm not going to change anything. So I guess that's kind of rude of me. I love getting nerd sniped. So you know. In case that was not obvious. Yeah, I do want to continue. Thank you. I used apt. Better to install it with pipx. I'm going to try it anyway. No TLDR entry for cron. Oh. Why is it useless? Help, update, version, TLDR, simplified community-driven man pages. Hello? Why is it useless? Oops. No, hold on. All right. Fancy scene transition? Thanks. Thanks. I'm so not scuffed. I'm just such a professional. TLDR.sh. Is that actually a website? Should I click on that? I'll click your links. TLDR shell man page thing. How do you use TLDR pages? Community effort to simplify the beloved man pages with... Oh, examples! Nice! Huge. Huge. Yeah, so why... Okay, wait. Yeah, I think I'm missing something. Oh, there's installation instructions. Wait, NPM? That seems... Yuck. I'm just kidding. It's fine. Oh, ruh-roh. I did not like my NPM thing. Sudo npm. What could go wrong? TLDR. How much do you guys like watching me fight and struggle while you're saying all the right things in chat? How do you like that? TLDR help. TLDR. I'm just gonna check version. All right. Nothing good ever came right. That's the installation instructions. I'm like, okay, this is already for a shell tool, like already a red flag. Thank you. Oh shit. I think this is not using whatever I just installed with npm. I'm like, Aaron node, not npm. Oh. Rule number 1, never use sudo. I know. I was like, as soon as I was like, yeah, I knew that was the wrong call as soon as I said that. As soon as I saw it and I said, you know what? Fuck around, find out. The hell is this? I don't know. Oh, it worked. Wait, but why isn't it interactive? Oh. Okay. Okay, this is decent. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty good. If you sudo npm and you pull the gun on yourself, you have only you to blame. I know. Okay, I'm scared. I don't know how to fix it. I don't know what I did. Fine. Undo sudo npm. How do I even uninstall? Sudo uninstall npm package. I'm not a web developer, okay? Leave me be, yeah. Where are you? All right, let's, I'm gonna sudo uninstall it. Because I don't think I needed to do that. For the record. Okay. It removed 82 packages, so what could go wrong? I used sudo again as well, just so you all know. For those who are, what's happening? It's a good question. We're trying to figure out how cron jobs work. And so far, TLDR cron tab is pretty decent. What's funny to me though is like, okay, so you basically create a new cron tab with cron tab E, but it only ever says edit. It's only talking about existing stuff. What if I'm new here? Sample cron tab entry. Absolute path to script. Okay. So I have a few things that I want to do. All right. I've got a shell script that I want to run. And so I need a path to that. I want it to run in a certain directory. And I don't know how to do that. You want to know what else I don't know how to do? Set environment variables. And variables. It'll be great. Okay. You don't need sudo for that, and you should never use this. You guys, I am the queen of anti-patterns. Don't do what I'm doing. Please. I know. I knew it was cringe as soon as I did it. I promise. Okay? I promise. Uh-oh. I'm already in trouble. Sorry, Mom. Might have missed it, but if you install, don't you strictly need to sudo? I don't know. There's some other way that you can install packages with npm that doesn't require root privileges. But it's in their docs somewhere, and I remember setting it up on another machine. I don't remember how I did it. Okay, the easiest way would probably be to make a shell script to cd to the correct dir, set the env vars, and run the command. What if I want to run the same script in multiple directories? Then I guess I can still just add that to the script. Can I? Do I? Okay. I will make note of what you said, Essidier. Make a shell script. Okay, so then the script cd to correct dir. Yeah, dir could be an argument. Good stuff. Thanks for doing all the thinking there. Appreciate it. Okay, cool. That's sick. All right. So cd to the corrector, provide that as an argument. And then that would be I don't even think I've created, did I even create a shell script yet? No. I do need to. Arguments and options to your bash script. I need to remember how to do this. I forget everything, in case you're wondering. A $1 for positional variable. Okay, sick. Sick. Okay. Hold on. I gotta fix something. I was off center and it was driving me nuts. Same for the env file, and in the script you can do source env file. Okay. I think that works. How do you run a script as a given user UID? I think you can specify that in the You can specify that in the cron tab with the U, this U flag. I don't remember how to get the U, like offhand. I don't remember how to get the user ID. There's some command you run and you can get the user ID. Like an expert already. Wow, it's crazy. Totally kidding. Ian Fetcher, thank you for the tier 1. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. Cat, etc. /password. You guys want me to cap my passwords on stream? I'm just kidding. I realize that is the users. I actually knew that. She's so smart. All right. What do I feel like doing? What am I doing? I need to do shell script. Hold on. I gotta find where I want to put this. Where am I putting this? And I need to remember all the steps that I do here. This is for a piece. It's because it's for a piece of content. That's why I'm confused on where I want to put it. How did you pronounce it? I don't even know. Ian Fetcher. Ian. Wait, now I don't know how to spell Ian. Because EIN makes so much sense to be Ian. And it's IAN usually, I think. Alexander. Oh, cool. Einstein. Oh, you're right. Ein. Oh, Ein Fetcher. Alexander. That's cool. Ian. I just butchered your name. I'm sorry. In case you guys are wondering, look at my, I look like it's kind of like a Santa hat. Pointy. All right. I'm being an actual something today. It's fine. All right. Let me close this. Being nervous on the internet is weird. I'm not usually someone who's nervous on the internet. It's because now, you know what? It's because I've already looked through all the nice YouTube comments. And now every time that I open up my YouTube, all I see are these weird ass comments. Now I'm scared of the internet. So it's fine. I'm nervous. Ah. The Bash Bunny version of the Primogen headset situation. It's correct. Okay, cron is a daemon to execute scheduled commands. By default, it runs in the user's home directory. Cron tabs are files that... Oh, yeah. Did I write down TLDR? I did not. TLDR for man pages. You guys are pretty cool for all your sick recommendations. It's healthy to be scared of the internet. I know. I'm like, even telling any stories, I'm like, what? Was that a mistake? We'll see. Be honest, do you ever go back to your notes? Actually, the ones that I take on stream, I do. They're the most chaotic things ever. Like, I've taken up a whole page and I've said like 5 words. Look at it. There's so few words on that page. So it's within my bandwidth post stream to look over my 5 words that I've written down from stream. Whether or not I can piece together what they meant at the time is another question. But that's why I use arrows everywhere. It's like that guy with like that meme with the guy and he's got all the arrows everywhere. That's me. It's me during stream. Okay. Here. You guys can kind of see. Do you guys want to know what I'm working on? I haven't posted it anywhere yet. Okay, cron tabs are files that are used to schedule. These files have all the instructions that you might want to provide a cron job. Hold on. You guys can't see what I'm doing. Just hold on. I'm very chaotic today. I would apologize, but I'm not that sorry. I'm going to be confused what scripts mean, but that's fine. Okay. Absolute path to script.sh. And then I need to say when I want that to run. I'm going to have it run every 1 minute and see what happens. Okay. Okay. So. Okay, I need to disable that Nightbot thing because JetBrains is no longer paying me to be on the stream. YouTube sponsor, disable. Okay, I think I did it. I think I did it. Take note. Okay, let me find the original message. Oh, as a general rule of thumb, you should assume nothing in cron shell scripts. Always use absolute paths, even for binaries. You never know what path is set to. Explicitly set environment variables, etc. Okay, sick. That was the plan. So I'm glad we're on the same page here. Let's do. Okay, another question that I had was like I guess I think okay, potential dumb question, but like I literally just take note of every single question that I get throughout the entire process always. But to run a shell script as a cron job, I believe you need to set executable perms on it. Heads up. I believe that. Chmod X. Because I think I tried to do that and then I got some weird minutes error and then it was like does not understand 2 minutes is wrong. Yeah, so I did Chmod X on when I was practicing getting it set up. I know as I was explaining it to you guys, I was like, oh, this is so stupid, but I'm gonna have to say it anyway because I have to be honest that it came to mind, you know. And for me, okay, wait. For me, tell me if I'm wrong. Okay, so I know I can do bang and then bin bash. You can't see what I'm doing yet. You can do bang and then / bin bash. But shouldn't I be using the path to my bash binary? Like, shouldn't I do which bash and then use that path? Why can't you just specify the shell instead? Wait, what? Why can't you, specify the shell instead of making the file executable? Shebang. Oh, okay. Sorry. I'm messing it up already. Can we see your magical code? Yeah, one sec. I'm scared. Wait, bad cop. Are you who I think you are? You are. Okay, I'm going to make you VIP. Because you like bash as well, and I feel like you understand me as a person. You got great taste. There you go. Shebang. That's even better. From what user is the cron being run? It's fine from my user. But I don't even know if I can run it yet. Actually, I was able to do the cron tab function. Nice hoodie. Thank you. Thanks, you too. Yeah, we got great taste. What can I say? You probably don't want to go down that rabbit hole. I do. Just use bin env, not user bin ev for compat. Oh, smart. User bin env bash. Yeah. Oh, user bin env. But if I do which bash, it goes user bin bash. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm gonna spill the tea on what I'm up to, so you guys can see the code. Okay, don't tell anyone. You guys get the behind the scenes. I don't know why I'm all shy about it. It's because I don't know when I'm gonna record it, and I should probably record it sooner than later. But it's weekend, so. But anyway, I'm doing a thing here. So I'm doing a thing where you can summarize what's happening on your GitHub repo, and then I'm using AI tools to summarize it, and then I send it in an email. So that's what's happening. And then here, well, I'm confused because I feel like, okay, wait, I actually need to hide this again because I don't know what I have. I'm nervous. I haven't streamed enough recently. Okay. Don't mind me. Okay. So I feel like I should be doing which bash, which gives me user bin bash. So then why would it be user bin env bash? It's fine. I only watch your live shit anyway. Okay, cool. Oh, this is cool. Thank you. Thank you. I came up with it myself. And thank you so much. Bin bash should be the system bash. Should be the system bash. So like, okay, so it should be the bash for my system, not for my user, and that's why it should not be user bin bash. Okay. Getting into Linux standard path minute that it does matter. I need to know. You've been streaming at night for like the past 3 weeks? What? I haven't streamed in like 3 weeks. It's just symlinks anyway. Okay, user bin env bash. You can call it env with bash. Yeah, but oh, env is for portability. Okay, wait. I'm gonna Google it because there's too many of you saying too many things. And I've given up. I mostly don't listen to you, so get wrecked. Versus user bin env. Okay. Bale dung. Bale dung is going to tell us. Okay. Oh, okay. We're looking at just the conclusion of their entire article. That's in this article. We've explored the differences between shebang user bin bash and shebang user bin env bash as the argument, shebang lines, and we've also looked at their advantages and disadvantages. We can use either of them to execute commands in shell scripts with the bash shell or any other shell. However, it's recommended to use user bin bash when security is a priority and user bin env bash when we're looking for portability. Oh, interesting. Nice website. Yeah, I love it. Bale dung. You guys want a link? We should give a link to that. Give props to Bale Dung who did that. The preferred shebang is use a newer language anyway. Okay, well. LS law, where is bash? User bin env bash is what the cool kids are doing. Okay, I'll listen to Bad Cop and no one else. Get wrecked. Okay, we'll do, wait, so then it's just, because I can do, wait, it's user bin env. Nope, that's the wrong one. I think someone was asking what switches I switched from. I was using Cherry MX Silvers before, and now I'm using Cherry MX Blues. Okay, I think that works. Okay, I think it'll work. Okay, and now I want to schedule this. Okay, so now I'm in scripts. It exists here. I probably need to make it executable because I did not do that already. Repo summary. Okay, and then in theory, I should be able to do... Hold on, I got my TLDR cron tab somewhere. Oh, this one's... Ignore my... Okay, my plugins don't work either, okay? I'm just scoffed. I'm just like this. I'm just like this. It's just how I am as a person. Okay. Blah, 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 blah. One of these had something helpful. I think it was this one, and it had TLDR. Oh, it was the one that I was working at. Okay, don't mind me. I'm like extra chaotic today. It's fine. Edit a cron tab file for the current user. Replace current cron tab with the file with the contents of the given file. Cron tab and then path to file. How do I know what the of existing cron jobs? Okay, wait. I'm nervous to run that. Hold on. Hold on. I'm gonna run it and see what happens. No cron tab for me. Okay, so then I could do cron tab. Oh, wait. I think I might... Okay, cron tab. We're going to see how this works. Okay. We're going to do cron tab repo summary. And in theory... Oh, but we have to do like a... Sorry, absolute path. Absolute path. Hold on. Let me yoink this. I know this is... Okay, it's fine. I'm not going to apologize for how long it's taking me to do this. I hate that. I hate when I put pressure on myself for no reason. So I refuse. If anyone has complaints, they can take it up with HR. Cron tab, that. Oh, shit. Oh, bad minute. Ooh, have I tried running it yet? Oh, you know what? Wait. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. I didn't tell it where to run. I didn't tell where to run the file yet. And then it's also giving me the bad minute thing, which means that I probably have to do something else. That runs the thing every minute. Okay. Do you want a suggestion though? Don't send periodic summary email of things. It just becomes spam you don't want to read. This goes into the alerting chapter of the SRE book. Okay, fair. But then what would you like? Okay, so it's mostly, it's not even, it's not actually, I guess, I don't know, maybe. It's more so just, it's like summarizing the high level recurring themes in what people are saying in issues. You almost got it. Thank you. I appreciate it, Franco. What are you doing right now? I'm trying to set a cron job with this script so that I can write in my blog how to do it. I'm trying to figure it out myself so that I can then tell people how to do it. All right. Yes. Okay. So first, I still need to run in a certain directory, which means that you guys were saying I should probably do that in my thing. Okay. So I should cd into whatever directory. Provide a directory as argument. And then also, because we expect an argument, yes, of course. We should probably show usage. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so then I gotta remember how to do that. Hold on. Just hold on, we're going home. Did you like that? Do I have two devices that are giving me Discord notifications right now? Are you guys hearing my Discord notifications? Because I swear I'm hearing it through my mic, which is not ideal. Okay. I mean, so basically if we have, we're always going to need the directory. Okay. As someone who has Bash Bunny in their name, I feel bad I haven't done more Bash recently. It's like, it's literally been years since I've done Bash scripting. And even then it was like, I just like the shell, man. The LT1 or IT. At least two arguments. At least one argument. If, okay, cool. All right. So I think probably something like this. LT. Okay, and then let me see. Script that contains only that. At least two things. Hold on. probably LT1 actually. Okay, so there's at least one. Then if there is, then we do all this other stuff. Otherwise, oh wait, I don't know why I just moved that. Otherwise, then I can do if that. Should I do it on a new line? I feel like I should do it on a new line. But then what if it's not that? Not equal. One argument, checking the arguments. Please indent. Am I driving you nuts? Pushes both Icarus and Bad Cop into the arena. Growing past bash is a sign of maturity. You talking shit? You have an extra. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Nice website. You have an extra thing. Where? Wait. There should only be one. No, there's. I think that's where I need it, I think. Because I want it to pipe all of that into pop. Bash is life. Agree. I need to do more bash scripting, I've decided. And I'm going to slowly turn everyone into bash users. It'll be great. We'll take over. Okay, if the shell struggle, is this what I want? Sorry, I keep like clicking and stuff in the microphone. My volume is really loud on my end, so I don't know how your ears are doing. Mine are a little painful. Where is like the, okay, wait, I need to. Less than. Okay. I'll indent, I promise. Here. There you go. Are you satisfied? Imagine I indented the wrong thing. I might have. I have no idea. No idea, TBH. Just living my life. In the fast lane. Printf. Path to a is it overkill to say code repository? I could just say repo and they'll know what I mean, but it feels more professional. With a GitHub remote endpoint. Remote upstream. To a local. Okay, I think. Oh, command not found. Line 4. What did oh shoot. Wow. She's running things. So I have to show you guys our website, which is already live, but I don't know how that happened. Wow. Unreleased blog post that I'm currently still writing. It's fine, you guys get to see it anyway. It's exactly what I'm doing anyway. Okay, interesting. GitHub remote upstream. Bleep, bleep, bleep. Oh, it was line 4. It said it did not like. Okay, so it was saying, oh, is this $N is better? Bin bash. Beep, beep, beep. Oh, I need. Why does that one doesn't have a semicolon? That one does. I'm gonna add one. See what happens. Okay, now I'm scared. Hold on. I'm gonna run it. Missing a closing on line 4? Oh, maybe it's because I don't have spaces. N is equal. Oh no, N is some random thing that they gave. Okay. That command is not found. Oh, I see. Do I need to do this? Hold on. I literally am having to look at like shell scripting basics. I remember nothing. It's fine. I'll look at some random tutorials here. Echo read person. I think my using bleep in shell scripts. Sorry, you guys are getting completely ignored. I'm in my own little world right now. ZSH or bash? I use ZSH right now. It needs a space after the square. Okay, I think I did that. Oh, it probably needs a space after this as well because it was very confused and upset. Bash in shambles, not having spaces. It needs white space. Kind of like me, a little fussy. Not mess around, be a little fussy. Oh, ooh, just kidding, I broke it. Hold on. Why is that my foreground? That is definitely not what my foreground should be. Interesting. Okay, well, anyway. You guys can't see what I'm doing. I'm aware. Sorry. Sorry, not sorry. I'm gonna take a minute here. Oh, I see. I think I have to have a... Do I have to have a semicolon thing here? I'll only show you when it's perfect. When it's absolutely flawless. Repo. Huh, okay. What is the issue? There's about 10 different valid... I hate that, yeah. So now I'm getting its invalid syntax for else. So I think I need to figure that out. Oh, maybe... No, but it said it was the else itself. I added these to try and fix it. How... LF then... I'm looking at conditionals right this moment. Oh. Okay. Oh. Maybe this one's not supposed to be indented. It kind of looks like this one's not supposed to be indented. But I don't think that couldn't be it. But it could be. Yeah, no, it's still set. You need a space after echo time to rinse in repeat. No, I'm just kidding. You're missing a backslash on line 10 and 11. Oh, this is not Python. This is correct. You think? I read that you only need the backslash if it's if the line is ending in something that like is like a, oh my god, how words. Basically, the command has to continue after a pipe, so you can end it on a pipe. But any other time, you need a backslash to like denote that it's that you have to go into the next line. Yeah, I read that earlier. It seems to me that you're piping. Yes. This command does work. This command does work. I tested this part earlier. It's just the conditionals and like basic bash, the shell scripting things that I'm forgetting. So, you know, these should work. It's upset about. But there must be something, maybe it's here that I need a, like this, even syntax, like the syntax highlighting isn't even like picking up on that else keyword. Yeah. Try it. How bad could it be? Line continuation character. Line 15 ends. Oh, I thought I tried that already. I think I tried that already, but I'll try it again. No harm. Bleep, bleep. Yeah, it's still upset. Syntax error. You're on it. Okay. Bad cop would love to know whatever. Is there a linter? Do I have a linter for bash? Bash linter. Is there spell check? I have spell check, I think. Loki, don't feel like jumping into my NeoVim config right now though. Shell check. Do I have shell check? Trying to, oh my god, I haven't even coded in like freaking weeks. Okay, let's see. Bash language server. Can I search buffer and find spell check? Oh. Spell check, is that like built? Okay, wait. I don't think I can do that. I don't use it. You just... That is... What? Fair enough. Just get it right first try, and then I don't have to worry about that. If that, then go into the directory. Oh, wait. If it's less than one... Okay, wait. Yeah, you're right. I think maybe my logic is off. But I don't think that that's necessarily it. Like, it seems like a syntax problem right now. But maybe? Bash linting sounds like a hilarious concept. Okay. I'm bad at scripting. Okay. I'll admit it. I'm not good. I'll say if it's not equal, which is any. I think. Then I want to change directories. And then I want to run this thing. Change to a given directory, then run. Yeah, would require no args. Yeah, sorry, my logic was off on that one. Oh, also equal one. Oh my god, you're right. My logic is messed up. If it's not equal one. That's funny. To not have all that indenting and else's. Yeah, it's usually done with reverting the condition and exiting early. Oh, then exit. Okay, cool. That's a good idea. Okay, if it's not equal 1, then... Okay, I don't know why I changed that. Hold on. No, wait, I will change that else, and then I'm going to say then. I couldn't remember how I've seen it done. I actually don't even remember how to exit either. This is rough. It's fine. We're rough and tough over here. Okay, exit bash script. Use the exit command. Do I have to give it a code? No. Okay, sick. times it. Okay, I'm good. Okay, might potentially be less upset now. Repo summary, absolute path would be, I don't even remember what my current path is. Okay. Do this. Ignore me. Repo summary, and then I'm going to give it a path to, let's do bubble tea. Oh. Yeah, so there's something it really doesn't like about this line. Is it that? No. What is it upset about? Is it because I'm doing this base name thing? I can't tell. I don't know how to know. Like, I don't know how to know right now. There's nothing yelling at me. Missing closing brace. From 10 and 11, you have to connect it. Oh, it doesn't like these? Okay, maybe it'll still be okay if I don't use them. It did not like it before, like earlier today, but I wasn't running it in a bash, like I wasn't running it in shell script, so I don't know. Okay, now it's at least the syntax highlighting is working for the FI. Try with parens instead. Oh, maybe that'll, okay. Good call. I gotta look into this, man. You know what? Maybe that's my next little series that I'm gonna do. Me learning shell scripting after taking too long away from anything and everything. Scammed. Name scammed them. Well, it was never about scripting, so whatever. Ooh. Ooh. Stuff's happening. I might add another spinner here because it like pauses for a bit after that. What are the recurring themes in bug reports given this output? I could also get it to not email me so you guys can see the output. Oh. You can only send testing emails to your own address? Oh, yeah. Yeah, my bad. Insert at youremail.com. Yeah, okay. Fair enough. Touche. Yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm gonna comment that out. And then you guys can see what it says. And how cool and smart I am. Oh, shit. Oh, right. Yeah, now it doesn't need all the piping stuff. It's fine. Well, let's just delete it anyway. Let's just delete it. Who needs version control? Not this girl. Right first try, obviously. First try. You served me in Stanford. You're a master? Thank you. Thank you. Minor leak? No. No. First try. Sick. Yeah. First try. Genius. Sick. Cool. Yeah, so you get, okay. The annoying thing is that every single time it gives you a different output. Like, why is there 25 points? It's literally just listing. Like, if I ask it again, it's going to give me a different answer. But that's just AI, man. See, this one's a good answer. I think. Yeah. This one's way better. It's like, why did that one just list like 25 things? This actually summarizes it. What are you working on? I want to turn this script into a cron job, and we're figuring out how to do it together. As in, Bashcop is telling me how to do it. All right, it's great. Yeah, that's fine. All right. That. And then I think I might leave it like this and then change it once I make it a cron job. Because I want to check that it works. So I want to run it like every minute and see if that works. I should use AI to judge the response of AI. Runs processes in the background, so you might not see the output on your terminal. Okay, then I'll do an email. Easy. I could have it, I saw that there was the option to like output it to not, like output it to standard out for that cron job. It emails the output to, yeah. Okay, we're like grandpa style coding here, all right? Or at least to use, it used to, oh yeah, cron jobs. Yeah, I know. So what's funny is I was like, oh, this is the perfect script to like to have it email out like the output to you on like a weekly or monthly basis or whatever, right? As an open source developer, I could see you wanting a summary of just like the trends of what's happening in your repo so that you can figure out where to focus your efforts. Because obviously like those are the higher level issues that people are having, which like is helpful information to have. And I was like, perfect, they can email it to you. And then as I'm reading the man pages for cron, it's like it will email the outputs to you. So I was like, oh, I don't really need to be using pop here, but it's fine. Mixing $sign and backticks, extremely based. Oh. Is that bad? It runs somewhere in the background process, gets disconnected. Yeah, it's a demon. It's a demon. Working it. Error name, thank you so much for the tier 1. I appreciate it. Thank you. Not bad, just inconsistent. Oh, okay. Well, that's just me being a noob. Okay, wait. Backticks versus that in bash. Thanks for calling it out. Backticks versus braces in bash. Is that right? Oh, I see. So I could just do blah, blah, blah. I could do this and then do I forget what it said. That. You're saying I can do this and be almighty, ultra powerful. Oh, ah, no, we did not like that. Wait, where else I'm not using it anywhere else, I don't think. Base name pwd. Okay, wait, I just don't know what I'm doing, which is also fine. Base name is equal to okay, wait, let me look up this. I'm gonna look up this command for a sec here. More likely base name and then this. Okay. Okay. This is, oh, line 13. What did I do? Oh shit, I forget what I did, what I changed. It's because I added something there that also doesn't exist here, so. Okay, that should fix it. Yeah, okay, that worked. Sick. I actually should use PWD. Oh. Well, you can actually meet anytime. Appreciate it. That's a good call. Wow, you guys are so smart. Can do many crazy good things to help you in everyday issues. Yeah, totally. I know. I actually feel like a dum-dum for neglecting it for so long. I used to use it quite well. I used to do PowerShell scripting mostly because I was forced to use Windows computers and like be an admin for Windows, for like a fleet of Windows machines. So I did like PowerShell scripts, but I liked Bash better as a shell, but I never got really the opportunity to do a ton of Bash scripting. And then it's one of those things like I haven't gotten around to it. And now I'm getting around to it. It feels good. PowerShell bindings, no, it's not as good. That being said, my favorite thing about Linux that converted me was the Bash shell. Literally, just as soon as I found out that you can install apps, you can do all of this stuff, change system settings, everything just from your terminal, right? Like literally write a few words and then just like change whatever it is that you want to change. I was like, this is sick. Who doesn't love a verbose, complex CLI? I know, if desperate times call for desperate measures, you know? I personally prefer Nix systems, but just that name for services was always confusing to me. What? Not sure how I feel about it. It feels like C# in a bad way. I'm not gonna lie, PowerShell was painful. It's just, I don't know. It was, at the time, it was like the closest I could get to coding in my job that I jumped on it and became like resident PowerShell expert so that everyone would ask me to do things that felt like coding. And also I didn't have to deal with GUIs because I was getting so fed up because every time I would use a GUI version of what I was trying to do, it would like, especially because I was doing like bulk amounts of administration stuff. So I was just like, this is such a waste of time for me to like manually click through all this stuff. And then sometimes it would bug out and then clear all of the fields that you just filled out. And I was like, I don't have the patience for this. I don't have the patience of a saint that it requires to sit through this. And I'm getting paid to be here, but like, come on now. I actually do use ZSH for my shell. But no, I won't change my name. I refuse. Oh, my color scheme. This is a custom one. I made this one. I haven't published it yet though, because I want to change it. So it's not public yet. I made it like last year as well, so I forgot how to write a theme already. I forgot how to write a Neovim theme. So before it can be public, I have to relearn how to create a theme, and then I have to make it not scuffed. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, well, this is good. So now, okay, I'm nervous still. So now I need to create a cron tab entry, which runs a certain script every Friday, runs a command every 10 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna Google it because someone put it in chat earlier and I can't find it. It's too far gone. Okay, run cron. I always misspell. I spell cron job with an H every single time, and I don't know how to make myself not do that. So for all of the 0 people who asked, that's what's going on in my head right now. Every minute. Imagine I start this cron job and I for some reason cannot figure out how to make it stop, and then my entire inbox is just like the exact same. No, not even the exact same output because it's AI and it's inconsistent outputs. That'd be great. My entire thing is just like the same thing in different words and like painfully different formats. It'll be great. What could go wrong? Okay. Cron tab. And then the name, right? Why am I nervous? Okay, wait. I need to get my PWD again. This one. Okay. The moment of truth. Cron tab. this slash repost summary. And then I have to give it a thing that is home bash bunny bubble tea. Oh wait, I also hold on. Hold on, I did the exact same thing that I forgot to do before, which was I did not change the email. Yeah. Alright, there we go. Lols. Alright. Cron tab. And then are you guys nervous? Because I can't see you. Every single time that I'm doing anything and I can't see chat, I just assume that there's something that I'm probably doing that someone's raging about in chat. They're just watching me about to wipe my drive or something. You know what I mean? So that's what I anticipate happening. It's because it usually is what's happening. Like, Bash, please look at chat. You're not okay. Fix it. All right. That except not. Bubble tea. All right, and then what else? What else? I need to give it time, don't I? Does it default to anything? I don't remember. I have to give it a time. Oh wait, it's the opposite order. Command to execute. Okay, hold on. My mouse sometimes stops working, in case you're wondering. In case you didn't know that and you wanted to know. You're like, you know, I wonder how Bash is doing with her mouse. That's the update. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Okay, well, that's not how you do it. It's okay. I'll do that and then I'll edit it. Oh, shit. Wait, bad minute. Oh, no. Errors in cron tab. I can't remember what I need to do here. Do I need to just do sudo? Maybe I don't have privilege to cron tab. How to check if user can use cron tab. Cron tab L command while you're logged into the user account. Okay, I'm gonna hide myself because I'm always, or like hide, you know, the important things. Things that actually matter, you know. Things that actually could. No cron, oh, what? To verify a specific user, is it I? Capital I? The heck? No cron tab for Bash Bunny. How do I check cron tab? Oh, I don't own any, but how do I, is that what the minutes error is? Is it always? The file name is not your script. Oh, shit. Oh, I was right. We need a notifier, some commands that send you alerts. No, but I like the chaos. You're misunderstanding the TLDR. Oh, shoot. Oh, sheets. Commands to execute. Okay, so this, oh, wait, I didn't do this right. Replace the current cron tab with the contents of the given file. I don't think that's right. Absolute pass to script.sh. This is what I'm, wait, cron tab entry, which runs a certain sample job. All right, you'd be correct. Yeah, you guys are freaking out on this end. The file name is not your script, but a cron file. Use cron tab -e. So you always have to use cron tab -e to start it, hey? To start a new one, create a new one. Okay. You can run a backup of all your user accounts with blah, 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 blah. Ooh. I want mine to be running every minute for eternity. And I want this to be that. And then I think this one is where I set a minute. That's what the internet said. Do I have to keep it in this, or is that just for examples? I'm actually looking at chat, kind of. So there's hope. There's hope yet. No. Oh. I forgot. Imagine believing the internet. Or edit the old one. I blindly follow what chat tells me. What can I say? I've been using cron for 30 years. I still have to Google the syntax. Relatable. I know. I like, yeah. Skills atrophy real quick. Maybe you can look at ATD after cron. Well, people are saying that the system D unit scheduling is better. So, yeah. Ooh, she figured out PW. It's funny because I use PWD in my config files, and then for some reason I was like, no, that couldn't be it. Oh, the internet told me the internet was wrong. What? Oh, is 101, 101, 201. Oh, that's every second. That is every minute. Okay, standard error. I'm gonna believe you blindly. I prefer system D for scheduling. Okay, good to know. I'll probably look into that after. And then compare system D. That'll run the first minute of every hour. Oh, I see. 1 does mean at minute 1. You need */1. Okay. No fuzzies. Can I call these things fuzzies if there's 2 of them? Because it looks kind of like fur. Like if I was to draw a furry creature with just characters I have on my keyboard, it would be this. Furries. Fuzzy bits. Okay. You're telling me this is all I need? Oh wait, this is wrong. Oh shit. All right. And then I also need to add the path. I don't even know what's in my clipboard right now, actually. Hold on. Burp, 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 burp. All right. That. Wow. Once this is running, I hope you all give yourself a pat on the back because you carried this whole stream. And I'm going to turn around and summarize everything chat told me in a blog post. System D is a bit nicer as you have logs. Cron tab guru? What's guru? What is that? Is that a content creator? Ship it. Oh. Ooh. Spicy. Okay. I'm nervous. Okay, cron tab L. Oh. Okay, we got one. How do I know if it's running? Oh. Yeah, like how do I know hold on, I created it. I edited it. It should just run. It should just work. TM. All right, I'll check my email for you. You didn't save it, right? I did. Oh, I saved it. We're committed. We are in. There's a chance I should have given it a different email. Okay, hold on. My cam might freeze. Oh wait, oh okay, we're good. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, nothing so far. Oh wait, is it? No, I haven't seen anything yet. Did I send it from the right email? I don't even know. Hold on. What's a shell provider? Can you explain it like I'm 5, please? Add the bin/sh. To what? Okay, I think that should work. Oh. Check log for errors. Oh, it's bash ls. Oh, my language server's broken. Sick. Oh, ZSH, SH, and bash are shell providers, right? I think so. Oh, wait, my cron job is not going to work. You guys, I forgot to set the environment variables. That's why. Hold on. Okay. Let me do that. Let me fix that. Oh, so I have to set that in the cron job, right? Like, sorry, in the cron tab. So I can do cron tab. I know you guys can't see what I'm doing. But in theory, theoretically, the cron does not have your path. Ooh. Or in your script. Why do you need M variables? For the mods and pop. Leak your API key bash. It's okay. I'm pretty good at not leaking it, maybe. We'll see. Or in your script. You're right. I think it makes more sense in my script. That's for sure. That makes sense. You're so smart. Installing new cron tab. Oh, I saved it again. Do I now have multiple cron tabs? Potentially. Guys, I'm going to get so many emails. It's going to be insane. I'm going to love it. I'm going to feel so popular. Okay. So now I can export and I'll do, what is it? Resend API key, I think. And that I'll use skate so that I don't leak it. Skate get resend. Well, the only thing is I forget what my variable name is. Shit. Don't leak, mucus. I know. Risky business. For real, for real. I'm gonna try my best. And if I still leak it, it was just meant to be. You know? I wasn't meant to keep it a secret from you. Where are you? Okay. I think. Okay, I might have to check this. Okay. Oh. Oh. All right, clear and exit because I'm paranoid. Okay, now it should technically be able to work. You guys can't see what I just did, but I'll show you the script after I know it works. You only get to see the perfect outputs. Oh, hey, Theo. Soy Raid, what's up? What's up? Was he talking to you guys through the goggles? Theo, those goggles make everyone that wears them look like a fly. How do you feel about that? Be honest. That was the first thing I thought. I was like, you have fly eyes right now. I can't wear them when I stream because I stream with makeup. Oh, fair. Yeah, makeup's a bitch. Let's be real. Shit gets on everything. Actually, one, yeah. Yeah, rip. That sucks. For real. Yeah, they're fly goggles. Oh, you're talking about the makeup. Yeah, makeup. It is so much pain. Dude, people don't realize too. It's like if you yeah. If you don't wear makeup on camera too, it's like cameras just flatten you out so much. You often have to wear like, I don't know. I notice if I wear contour, I look like an actual human. If I wear if I don't, I look like Paper Mario, you know? I don't have a strong stance on how the Vision Pro looks. I was surprised how little pushback I get. Oh, wait. How little pushback I get wearing it, TBH. Something. Oh, okay. I can't read. Yeah, me too. That was my first thought. I was like, everyone looks like flies. You guys look like flies. Like you're gonna start going bzzz. Yeah. My wife does makeup art for her sister's modeling seminars. It's practically a suitcase of stuff. Yeah, makeup's hard. Oh, also Acorn, thank you so much for the raid as well. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. Wow, getting all the raids. This is what happens when I stream on Friday nights. When everyone else goes and enjoys their life, I sit at home and I stream to the internet. I'm just kidding. They look like thick ski goggles. Actually, ski goggles these days are massive. I put them on there like it's literally like this big. Like that. That is too large. Can't do that. Can't handle that. They don't even comment on it. People don't question Apple. Okay. Someone throws hate at Apple products and they're getting all the soy boys are gonna come after them. For real, for real. I'm staying for the Rilakuma. Thank you. Yeah, he's very cute. I've got a pooping dog as well, which is cute. I love it. I love it. I get more harassment for defending the port on the mouse. Yeah, fair enough. Rabbit R1. What is that? What is that? Okay, I gotta check my email. Also, my camera may or may not stop working when I change tabs in i3. I don't know because I can't see my stream when I change tabs. So enjoy that, whatever happens there. Oh, it's still not working. Ooh. Ruh-roh. Ruh-roh. I think something's broken. What did I break? Burp, burp, burp. Oh, parameter needs a slash. Wait. Do I have that? Okay, wait. You guys can see. So look, I've got this. I'm trying to run the cron job every minute. This is the shell script that I want to run. And then this is the path that I'm providing as an argument. Do I maybe need like little quotesy roos around the path? You're still using OBS on Linux? Dude. I'm using OBS on Linux. I'm using Vivaldi on Linux that crashes every time that I join a Google Meet. Like, I don't know why I'm like this. It's not even borderline masochism at this point. It is full-blown masochism, and I don't know why. The struggle is real, and I did that all myself. I did it all by myself. It works well enough, and it's too ingrained in my daily life that I refuse to change it. This is how I'm hiding my API keys, because otherwise that would have been an oopsies. That would have been unfortunate. What were you guys saying? What was I needing to do? I forget. I already forgot. I need to... oh, it's in my cron tab that I need to edit. Okay, cron tab. Edit. I don't know what this is going to edit. Oh, it worked. Okay, cool. I think do I have to put this in the little quote skis? Escape on my path. Oh, good question. That's a good point. It should be. It's in my go path, which is in my, like, it's in go. Yeah. It's in my go bin, which is in my path. But I don't know if my absolute path, is my absolute path definitely include, like, accessible to cron jobs? It's not in path in cron, right? Yeah, the file should be schmodded. Yeah, cron uses a different shell, right? So like my path, it wouldn't be there. So I have to do, so I have to add it. Okay, wait. I'm scared of leaking anything because I haven't streamed on this PC in like long enough that I'm like, what kind of trail have I potentially left here? I have no trust in past me. That's okay. I'll be streaming more and it'll be less chaotic. I'll add this. And then I'll show you guys what that looks like. Can I do this? Path, sequence of path. Oh, go path is not defined, so I need to add that. Beep. How is your recording video? Or Theo? Why did I call you? I called you video, I'm sorry. It is self-inflicted, 100%. You're going to streamer awards. You excited? Do you have a YouTube channel? I do. I'm actually streaming on YouTube as well right now. Half the appeal of cron is the rush of adrenaline when it finally works. That's based. I'm enjoying the based YouTube comments tonight. What I'm realizing is I need to figure out how I go through these YouTube comments though, like in general on the videos, because I go through all the nice ones and I reply to them, and then I leave the ones that are weird. And I think I either need to delete them or like something, because then every time I open YouTube, all I see are these like weird comments, and then I don't know, maybe it's good. Maybe it just keeps me on my toes. So we'll see. Okay, this maybe will work. Oh, I should save it, not suspend it. Okay, installing new cron tab. We'll see. Not needed. What did I say? Home of the weird. I know, dude, people get so still. It's funny because here, I can leave this open. Do you guys want to see the new cron tab thing? I think I do cron tab list. Right? Yeah. So I added my go path, and then that should have skate in there. So now in theory it should work. Let me make sure I'm not leaking anything. We're good. In theory, this should work. I forgot what I was saying. So, yeah. Do you also work at Twitch? I do not. No, I don't work at Twitch. I just work on Twitch sometimes. Not the source code, but like on the platform, like we're currently doing. Okay, let me check my email. Like right now. Right now. Oh. Rip. Still no email. I don't know if that's even how I do environment variables here. So let me Google it. Hold on. In cron tab. Oh. Huh. Okay, well, in theory it should be working. In reality, I'm not sure. Oh, I can do journal control. Okay. I'm going to copy and paste your command and run it as root and see what happens. What not to do. You guys do not do that, okay? Be good. What's your current job? Are you a full-time content creator? I am not. Well, I guess kind of. I failed to match cron. What? Shroot? Oh, lol. Yep. Rip. I guess I kind of am, but I'm kind of not. No, like my, I do create content for work, and then I also create content on my own. But I mostly just like to write code. Even though I haven't touched code in a few weeks. Rip. Invalid argument. Okay, I'm just gonna do help. What a life, TBH. For real. Living the dream. I honestly, I feel like I should be live streaming just like open source contributions more. You know, that's all I want to do. That would be way fun. That'd be way rad. I forgot what I was gonna do. Oh yeah. Log of you can see just cron jobs in that log file by running that. Okie dokie. Oh. I'm gonna do that. No MTA installed. Oh, hold on. Rip. Okay, still no email. Definitely should have gotten an email. It's interesting. Show errors. Oh my god. Wait, that's actually crazy. So I'm on this forum and I'm looking through the answers and I'm reading the answer and I see the avatar. And I was like, hey, that looks just like Miguel's avatar, which is someone that I interviewed last year for his like terminal project. And it is his answer from 2010. That's so cool. Start sending output to a temp file first and see how that works. That's probably the best idea. TBH. Can I use your Twitch scene setup? Sure. Like this one and this one? Sure. Did he get the job? Oh, I interviewed I didn't interview him like for work. Like I interviewed him for a video. He was very kind. Very kind and loves terminals. The default cron configuration will send you a mail with the output of your program. If this fails, you could try wrapping your failing program in a shell script that ensures that the program does not fail. You could further log the output. Sick. That's so random. That's the most random thing I've come across, I think. Honestly. You can always explicitly send the job output to a log file. Output.log. I don't know what this, I forget what this does. Okay. is like sitting weird. Now my ankle is like not okay, in case you're wondering. All right. Maybe you're right. I think I'll try logging it to somewhere else. Cron tab E. I'll put scripts slash summary log. Actually, I'll do repo log. This is nice. It's nice streaming again after some time away. It's nice working on some stuff too. I overthink it sometimes, in case you're wondering. Do you use ChatGPT 4 a lot? No. I actually only used AI anything like for pretty much first time like a month ago. Sorry, I'm hitting my desk. Did your company lay off a lot of people too? No. I work at a startup. We haven't had any layoffs. If you set up cron jobs for a local computer, just local computer right now. A bit less random than finding your own answer from 10 years. Yeah, that's so funny. That'd be so good, finding your own answer. Okay, so now if I do cron tab L, do I have like a bunch of different cron tabs? No, it's the same one. Okay, sick. I'm gonna tail F. Oh, I should be using absolute paths. Well, I don't know, we'll see. Can you see your cron tab L for a sec? Yeah. I think I did it wrong because I didn't use an absolute path here. So I don't know if it's going to work. This is my cron tab L. So I've got my go path and my path that are defined. And then, yeah, and then I've got, it's meant to run every minute. And then it's this script that's running. And then this is the directory I want it to run in. You need path in SH. Is red using shell? You need path. Oh, okay. Always full paths. Same for go path. Okay, I'll try that. For some reason, I'm paranoid today. So I keep switching when I'm making the changes. Hope you guys don't cry about it or anything. That'd be awkward. Cron. Awkward. Feels bad, man. Uh-oh, TJ's here. He probably knows how cron jobs work. You need a path. Okay. I think I get what you mean. I think I'm doing this right. I should. Otherwise, you won't see errors. Yeah. Isn't the bracketed var a return? I don't know. Oh, add at the end 2 and 1. Otherwise, you won't see errors. Okay. Yeah, because that redirects standard error to the file, right? If I recall correctly. Anyone who can pay and knows how to program and find answers should... I don't trust AI tools. Will only redirect standard out. Okay. You should start pushing dev content to capture females. Am I not capturing a female with my content right now? It's me. Any big girl dev content creators? I know at least one, Bukola. Bukola. On YouTube? Yeah, Bukola, I think. Tiffin Tech, yeah. I'm not like, I don't know. Like, if I'm not enjoying it, I refuse to do it when it comes to content stuff. Because it's not like it's not my job. It's not my job. It's just something I do for fun. So, you know? Okay. And I was gonna tail whatever that thing is called. Oh, command not found. Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh, so many issues. Okay, well, this is great. This all adds up. But then it should be found. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm gonna look this up. Declaring go path in it's not what I want. Simple workaround for adding your regular path and shell commands in cron is to have a cron job source your profile by running bash in a login shell. For example, instead of that, you can run bash-lc and then your command. Okay, I'm gonna try that because that might be easier. And right now, it's about whatever's easiest. I give up. Just kidding. This is fun. This is actually really fun. I love knowing nothing about things and then slowly knowing more about the thing. So that's pretty sick. Does GoPath need home? Oh, wait. I think you might be right. GoPath. Probably. Hold on. I also meant to make sure that I had absolute pass for everything, and I do not. Let me fix that real quick. This one should also be home/bash money. I guess I could literally just do home, but I think I need the little squigglies. I'm just gonna, it's okay. We're gonna do it the hard way today and refactor. We're gonna do it the rough way. It'll be great. Oh shit. Please provide an absolute, please provide an absolute path to the local code. That's my own error. Did it just do that? I don't know what time it is. I'm almost dead according to Zoomers. Wait, you're almost 30? Do you even know how to... I don't know. I don't know what I was going to say. I was going to say, like, do you even know how to use a cell phone? Or something like that. And then I was like, that's dumb. And I said it anyway for your enjoyment. Hopefully an audiobook as well. That's going to be sick. That's going to be sick. Sick and slick. Yeah, it's funny. I feel like, why is skate still not found? Why is it so confused? Happy birthday, TJ. No, it's actually, if you're here, we can make it about you. I don't like being the center of attention anyway. You're taking the load off me right now. It's good. I like it. Okay, bash-lc. I don't even know what that does. The heck? The heck? Let me try and find it. Where are you? GNU.org. I love websites that look like GNU.org. It's like minimal styling. Times New Roman font. Just kidding. I don't know if it's Times New Roman. It's just like some kind of serif font. That looks Times New Roman adjacent. I do have to stop streaming soon though. Oh shit, it's already been 2 hours? Oh my god. Lost track of time, having too much fun. Losing track of time, losing interest. But I gotta do it. We sing. My VODs channel. Yo, let's go. You know what? You need to not be archaic and just stream to YouTube, Tej. You can find my VODs channel at this channel. Just stream to your main channel. You did today? Did you stream to your main channel? Cause it's good. It does good things for you. Can confirm. I've got 30 people that are saying based stuff in the YouTube chat right now. You could also add and 3 for STD out. I don't think so. You should make Go tutorials for beginners. I'm not that interested in tutorial content though. We'll see. I love when it gets back with my own politely worded errors. I know, right? I replied to my YouTube chatters today. That's huge. Make sure no docs and then upload to the VODs channel. Okay, fair. If you did NeoVim tutorial, I would cry. I have some NeoVim tutorials with TJ. She doesn't even care. But don't ignore the YouTube comments like some streamers. I mostly ignore them. They gotta come here to chat. Okay, this isn't working. Okay, I'm gonna be smart. I'm a genius. I'm so good at this. Bash source dot in cron. I just want you to listen to me. Okay, wait. Go binary found in cron tab. I won't run go/going program. Why is that? This issue was resolved by adding path and go path variables to the cron tab e. Echo path and echo go path. Interesting. Okay. Okay, this person might have something helpful for me. All right, I'm gonna hide this for a sec again because I'm paranoid, as you know. Burp, burp, burp. All right, so there's this. I tried running the command not from cron. Yeah, so the command works not from cron. It does, I swear. Actually, I could try running it again. Because I don't know if I've run the shell script. I haven't run the shell script, but I ran the code that... It makes sense. It should work. Oh, that and then... Oh, who raided? Fizzy, thank you so much for the raid. I appreciate that. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. What were you working on? How's it going? We're absolutely vibing. I keep hiding my screen. In case you're wondering what's up. Bash is not trash. Tell them. Tell them all. You can only... Oh. Oh my god. Wait, stop. Wait, you can only... Oh my god. I'm not going to tell you what happened until I know it fixed it. You're going to be embarrassed for me. Actually, I always do this, so, like, it's fine. It's fine. It's just part of who I am as a person. It's a chance I did something silly. Like, real silly. I'm a little crazy today. Just getting a little wild doing cron jobs, you know? Java is outdated. Java makes sense. Have you tried Scala? I want to learn Scala. I want to learn Scala and I want to learn Elixir. Cause yeah, you tried Scala. Do you like Scala compared to Java? Have you tried using Scala on your Java projects or something like that? However that works. Why do you learn Elixir? I haven't. Oh, fuck. Oh, no. Okay, hold on. Okay. Okay, we gotta wait. Wait, did I change anything? Where am I? What world am I in right now? Hold on. Okay. There's so much to unpack in my path right now, but whatever. You get the whole thing. Hold on. It's either gonna work or it's not. And those are the only possible outcomes ever. So, you know. You know how it is. You know how it is. Alright, cron tab. If this sends, I don't know how I'm gonna feel about it. I probably should have given it a minute, but okay, and then I gotta tail the thing that I was. Oh wow. Is it still having that same issue? How is skate still not found? Oh, do I need like go bin or something? I might need go bin. Oh. I don't know. It's doing some crazy stuff right now. It's doing some crazy stuff. Don't worry, it's not my API keys. Oh. 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 Okay. So, I got it. We win. We win. We beat cron. We beat him. Let's go. So the email address is wrong. The email address was wrong. And then also, well, okay. It could be the right email address. Like I could receive that to that email address. But like, I think but resend doesn't let you send it from an email address that's not registered with resend. So, yeah. When you leak the other one, no, these are public email addresses anyway. It's fine. Um, yeah. I use YubiKeys. I don't have to worry about email addresses getting leaked. Come on now. God. Yeah, so there's that. But then I think there might have also been an issue with the cron tab, sorry. Let me try changing it back and see what happens. Oh, shoot. I did the thing. Okay. Because it wasn't detecting skate, and so I added my path and go path like more explicitly. Shit, I don't even remember what I had before. I thought you'd know your email. Okay, well, hear me out, okay? It's fine. What did I have before? I had path is go path / bin, which should work. Then I had go path. Oh, is it because it's a no? Oh, maybe. Okay, hold on. I gotta test a theory here. I have theories to test. Okay, it's important. Path is equal to that. Okay. I gotta try a thing. If you can't tell, I like to fuck around and find out, and that's how I learn. So, painfully for everyone else watching, but it's effective, I think. Okay, is this how I think it can work? Sure. Hey, Caitlin, how's it going? Don't curse. Don't tell me what to do. Just simpler with a garbage collector? Yes. Oh my god. Yeah. You have an idiot. I put the wrong email address and that's why it wasn't working. Okay, sick. I'm actually, you know, they say that the smartest, the easy stuff is hard, you know? Thing is, my code is never wrong. It's everything else. No, it wouldn't let me send from, basically it would only let me send from one email address that's like registered to use, like registered to that API key, basically. So I tried to use a different alias and it didn't work because it was giving me an error saying that it wasn't registered to that email, but it wasn't showing that in the log. And it wasn't until I ran it outside of the cron tab, outside the cron job, that I realized that it was the wrong one. So, how hard is it to learn different API? Not hard. I mean, APIs are usually just, they're documented. So, you just read it. For late evening, it's not that late. It's not that late. It's not late enough. I have had a full day of work though. And I was tired today. So, you know, it's one of the days where you're relying on caffeine. Like a lot. About skate not being found? Good question. Great question. Okay. I think I made another mistake as well. Okay. Uh-oh. I'll show you. Cron tab. I'm silly. Okay. For the record, I feel good. Yeah, so I had to add my path and go path differently. So this is how I was able to add them. And I think I was using the little squiggly for go path instead of the absolute path. And I really want to replace all of these home/bash bunnies with $home, but we'll see. That is the longest path I've ever seen. Listen, It's because I'm a 10x dev who uses Emacs and Neovim and has used Haskell and Rust, and I don't know what this one is. And I have Espen in there like 4 times. So, and Cargo. Okay, Rust, by the way. Like, there's just I just have so many things that I'm so skilled at, which is crazy. How is that navigatable? I don't look at it. Clearly, I don't look at it. Okay. So have you advanced with it? No, that's from like 2 years ago. Do you have a boyfriend? My personal life is not content, my guy. Also, Ratius, thank you so much for gifting a sub to Fizzy the Visionary. I appreciate that. Thank you, thank you. How long does it take to read API docs on average? Not that long. Not that long. Usually you just figure out what API you want to look at and you Google it, and then there's docs and they tell you at a high level what the different functions are for the API, and then you search that documentation for like keywords of what you want to do. I just read the entire... Okay, but I feel like, TJ, if I tried to do that, I would be able to read the entire user... Oh my god, I can't even make words. I would read the Neovim user manual, but then I would immediately forget it. So, yeah. So, I think I could remember like 2 chapters. Yeah. Emacs is very popular amongst Lisp programmers. Yeah, because I'm pretty sure you use Lisp to configure Emacs, to customize it. IIRC. I just use Doom Emacs like a soy dev. I don't know what the equivalent would be on other things. Yeah. I think that's it. I think that's all I have in the tank. I'll see you guys another day. What day? I have no idea. Neovim has a manual? Dude, TJ, that would actually be such a good video, is just like helpers on how to learn more about Neovim with Neovim, you know? Like being able to see, I use Telescope to see like what commands I have available that I could run. There was other stuff that you showed me, like the table of like things that are in scope for that, like for the buffer, I think. I'm trying to remember if it was for the buffer or like for the Neovim session. I can't remember. But there was like a way to see the table, and I forget already. It's in my notes somewhere. It's fine. Today I used about corn job. I love that. I should call it corn instead of cron. They should call it corn jobs. A corn tab. I'm going to fork it and call it corn instead, and that's going to be the only change. It's a good idea. Yeah, I mean, that's one that would it'd be helpful. That's it. Corn jobs does not sound appropriate. Okay, well, get your head out of the gutter, Twitch chat. All right? That's all I have to say. But you're probably right, honestly. You're probably right. All right. Let's find someone to raid. Jobs on the cobs. Let's go to software category. See what's up. Is there someone you feel like we should raid? Web dev with TJ? Wait, TJ, that's crazy. I'm just kidding. There's so many people that go by TJ. And by that, I mean I know 2 people, you included, and then the one random person that I just saw. So, Chris is on, Kelly's on. Is Spyro on? Did you solve the corn problem? I didn't know you were so famous on Twitch. Huh? Okay. I can't even pretend to speak Spanish, otherwise people can speak to me in Spanish and I'm not going to know what they're saying. But then again, I'll probably have like more of a clue than I had with the cron jobs and writing my own email address properly. So that's crazy. Um, I also love that this is a common theme. It's like I manage I managed to grasp the code. I managed to grasp the concept, and then I just shoot myself in the foot by doing like a typo. And then I'm looking at it for hours being like, why doesn't this work? And it's I can't spell apparently. So, you know. Wait, I recognize this name. Musean. I feel like I've spoken to this person somewhere. Do we know them? No, don't talk to me in Spanish. Oh no. I'm going to listen to The Weekend until I fall asleep. Well, enjoy that. That sounds nice. Dang, that's a lot. It is so much. I'm overwhelmed. Huge. Use spaces in bash bars and you will suffer. I know. It's so true. It's so true. Oh, also, one thing that entertains me endlessly that okay, we're gonna raid them. Hold on. I'm gonna start the raid first, then I'm gonna tell you what entertains me endlessly. Vamos. Yo voy ir al plajo con mi amigos. Or I should say con mi amigas. So it's the girls only. Yo voy ir al plajo con mi amigas. Oh, Spyro just gave me a shout out. Is that bad? Is it rude if I raid someone else? Oh, wait. What? They have raids disabled? Why? I want to raid a rustation, man. That's okay. We can do... Who do I want to raid? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch the tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Yeah, okay. That worked. Alright. Can you tell I have a hard time making choices here? I always find rating the hardest thing. It's the hardest part of stream. Spyro's getting off soon? Oh. Okay, well, I'll raid Chris then. He's probably going to be on all night. Okay, so what entertains me endlessly is I keep posting these copy pastas, these Twitch copy pastas into my YouTube live streams, and people are getting so concerned for my mental well-being when they're reading these descriptions, and I find it so entertaining that they don't understand Twitch lore, and I'm gonna keep doing it as long as I can. So if you have any good copy pastas, feel free to like tag me in it in the Discord, and it's great. Yeah. Directory with a colon and path? Oh no. Oh, what? What? Yeah. So I keep trolling YouTube and it fuels me. The rush is when they ping you because your user account was logging in every 30 seconds. Oh, you guys, this cron job's been running this whole time. I'm going to have like 30 emails. I'm going to get like banned from resend. It's been sending emails this whole time. Oopsies. Okay, well, I'm going to do that. You guys have fun with Chris. Thanks for hanging out. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. You guys can follow the Discord and Twitter and, I don't know, wherever you want. I'm not here to tell you how to live your life. Peace out, guys. See ya. Have a good one. Okay, now it's just YouTube. It's just me and you. I live on copy pastas, but we give anything for carbonara except for the pineapple pizza. That's blasphemy. You, sir, or ma'am, you know what's up. Pineapple on pizza is like the hottest debate of Twitch. Hello, Bunny. Sorry for being late. It's okay. We're about to get off, though. But yeah, I appreciate you guys hanging out. That was pretty sick. Pretty sick, pretty slick. Nice to see you all again. Hope you enjoyed this random episode on cron jobs. I'll probably do a more succinct YouTube video on it because I'm trying to do more YouTube videos, and Learning stuff takes time, man. Learning stuff is so time consuming. I don't know. I don't know how to post more often. What's this live about? Cron jobs, my guy. We learned all about cron jobs and cron tabs, and it was magical. We did some bash scripting, and I realized I was trash at it. So it's good. We're all learning something. I need to disable this cron tab because I am going to be getting like 50 emails. So I'll see you guys later. I'm 30 minutes longer than I meant to be. It's fine. I'll see you next time.